coastal flood warning.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, and southern Baltimore. Coastal flood warning in effect until 1 p.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect until 1 p.m. Wednesday. The coastal flood advisory is no longer in effect. Tidal anomaly. Normal. Time. Hour of high tide.
What?
The 8 p.m. observation in Baltimore.